Hi, I'm Chuck Dorsett for Weaver Leathercraft, and the Heritage Compound Action Revolving Punch is the perfect tool for the beginner and the seasoned professional. And the one thing that makes all the difference, the compound action. Less pressure on your hand, less pressure on your forearm, therefore better control. For those of us with a little more experience, say we have a long line of lace holes we need to drop in. How easy is that? We can knock that out with no problem. Now, really cool point here. This is made in Germany, so this is going to be in millimeters. But this little window will show us the exact size of the tube on the anvil. Now, these tubes are not replaceable, but high quality, very durable. Now, one tip. I would drop a bit of oil on our pivot points as well as around our head, because a lot of revolving punches can be very stiff when you buy these. But a little bit of oil, no problem, and you can hear how that clicks into place. High quality.